Hey there, Busy Beast. We are going to complete Number Corner. We don't have our classroom calendar, but we're going to try our best. So get your clappers ready because we're going to sing our Days of the Week song. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 To start off today, we're going to count all the way up to 30, starting at the number 12. Ready? Starting from 12, we're going to count to 30. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Nice job. Starting at the number 20, let's count backwards. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Now let's flip over our card for today, which is Wednesday the 1st. And if you can see here, we have a ruler that's 12 inches long, and we have an eraser. So a ruler is used to measure the length of something, how long it is. And so it looks like we're measuring an eraser here, and it looks like it's about 2 inches long. Okay. And since we won't be doing this tomorrow, I'm going to already work on April 2nd. So we're going to flip our card for April 2nd. And it looks like we have a balance. A balance tells us how heavy something is. It doesn't give us a weight, but it'll tell us which one is heavier and which one is lighter. So you can see in this one, they have, let me zoom in even more. You can see there's 3 pencils on the left and 2 pencils on the right. Which one is heavier? 3 pencils is heavier, and you can see it's starting to tilt to the left, which means that the 3 pencils are heavier. Moving on, earlier in March, we were looking at lambs and lions. This month, we're looking at frogs and toads. So here's a frog. He's green. Frog, frog. And toad. He's brown. Toad, toad. So we're going to spin our spinner to see which one he lands on, and then we're going to add it to our graph. Ready? Landed on toad. So for toad, we're going to go to our toad page, and here we have toad and frog. We're going to use brown because the frog is brown. We're going to color in the first box on the bottom. Now, which one has more? Toad or frog? Toad has more. Which one has less? Frog or toad? Frog has less. He has 0. So if I write this down, 0 for frog is less than 1. So 0 is less than 1. And we'll have to, and we have to do another one for April 2nd. So we're going to spin again. We got toad again. So for toad, we're going to come back over, and we're going to color in one more toad for tomorrow, for Thursday. There we go. So now who has more? Does Frog have more or does Toad have more? Toad has more. Which one has less? Frog or Toad? Frog has less. He only has 0. So if we write this in an equation, we have 0 for Frog. 0 is less than 2. So Toad has more than Frog. How many more does Toad have than Frog? Toad has 2 more than Frog. And lastly, we have to make an equation. How many does Frog have? He has 0. How many does Toad have? He has 2. 0 plus 2 equals 2. Come back for Friday for the next number corner. See you guys.